Hello and welcome to my emotional support chair that holds all of my clothes after laundry day when I just cannot bother to put it away. This has been here for months, so new year, not new me, but just kind of trying to start out with better habits. And by new year, I mean January 19th, because I am a procrastinator, but it is time. There's also a whole bunch of stuff that fell off this chair that's on the floor and it needs to be figured out. So this is kind of going to be a new year reset slash new year closet clean out slash declutter slash let's get to going and doing this, because the longer I talk, the less I'm gonna do. Let's get to going. I'm gonna strip the bed and take you into my bedroom, plop all this on there, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna have to listen to music if I'm gonna get anything done today, so I hope you don't mind these funny headphones being on my ears. Okay, anyways, this is embarrassing because it's half of the things in my closet are not in my closet anymore, so I'm gonna pull out as many hangers from here as are loosey-goosey. So that's the first step. I feel like that's not that many hangers compared to what's on this bed, but I guess we're gonna figure this out. I also really need to figure out these winter bags, because them in bags is just like not the vibe at all. I'm gonna pull out two of these baskets that is like my underwear and my workout stuff, because there's a lot of clean workout stuff and underwear here that we're gonna combine. And if you've watched my last closet clean out, there are like a decent amount of pieces that I need to get reworked, so maybe I'll do some sort of YouTube video of getting pieces reworked, like a before and after. Let me know if that's something that you would want, because I feel like we need to rework our clothes instead of getting rid of them and then putting them in a landfill just to buy more stuff, when we have very talented seamstresses, people that can help us turn our clothes that we don't wear into something that we would wear. So that's the end of my rant. I keep my underwear and bras and these kinds of guys, so I'm gonna kind of put them aside right now. You don't belong here and you don't belong here. Spanx sort of in black, Spanx, definitely Spanx in nude, and then we got socks. We have this bra stuff, sticky bras, which I actually really like. No plug for them, but if you don't have cakes, get cakes, but get the right size, otherwise they fall off. Okay, so we have socks. We have socks. They're Christmas socks, but I will still wear them year round. I don't care. Savage socks, which they're my favorite socks. So underwear. I know that there's more, but for right now, I think I've got what's hanging out. So this is just stuff that needs to go. This goes on a hanger. Also, if you ever want me to do a try on of all the clothes that I have, let me know. This jumpsuit is my favorite thing. I'm keeping it. I do think it's time to let this go. They're like skinny jeans at the bottom, and honestly, I don't love that vibe. So if anyone wants to buy this, visit my Poshmark. Sweater, underwear, sweater, workout, needs to get hung, sweater, need to be put up by the long sleeves. This goes where my long sleeves go. So does this. These are Daniel's socks. This also goes where that goes. Workout pants. Okay. This gets hung, this gets hung. This needs to be washed. So I got a new jumpsuit, or whatever this is called. Yeah, jumpsuit. So I am gonna get rid of this jumpsuit. So I'm gonna try and sell that maybe. Like, I don't need that many jumpsuits, you know? And they're like kind of a similar vibe, but this is much like more versatile. Like really I can dress this up, dress this down with a belt or no belt. So definitely keeping that over the other. Still the same vibe with this. I have not gotten around to getting this frilly stuff off, but I feel like a denim jacket like this is just like necessary and would look really cute with some jeans and dresses and like a tube top, you know? I've been thinking about these jeans kind of a lot, and it's like, I don't know, am I too old at this point to be wearing ripped jeans like this? They're so comfortable, but they're American Eagle and like I kind of want to phase out. So I'm gonna put it in the maybe sell pile. These Madewell jeans are definitely staying. These Madewell jeans that I'm wearing are also staying. And I'm in the process of finding black Madewell jeans. I have another size coming. The 26 is a little tight, but I feel like the 27 is gonna be better. So I will also have another pair of black jeans. And by another pair of black jeans, I actually mean one pair of black jeans because the other ones are skinny jeans that I have and they need to get donated. These are repaired, like altered Madewell jeans, which I do like them and they're very comfortable, but I do think they need to be altered in the back. They like weirdly bunch up and it looks really funky, but for now I'm gonna keep them and work on getting them fixed. I think I've decided to get rid of this. Like I wear this once a year. I might just find like a nude or a black long duster at some point that is a better material, but I think it's time. I just don't want to keep something that I wear like once a year. Okay, I actually bought a couple of belts. I bought this belt because I like just only had this snake belt and this snake belt is literally shedding. What I'm gonna try and do is maybe find like a, not reversible, but like a belt where I can pop the buckle on and off. So if you know any links like that, send them to me, but for now I'm gonna kind of put this to the side. So I have a fancy black belt, a regular black belt, and then like a nudie belt. And I'm gonna kind of hang them on this hanger with my black trousers. Sweater time. I had thought about donating this and I pulled it out of my pile because I feel like this is so cute and I'm a big fan of it. It's like pretty cozy, very vintage vibes. Trevero, large and 100% cotton. So definitely keeping this. I'm gonna stack this stuff here until I need to hang them. This is a shirt, so not time. This is a vintage Gap sweater that my fiance's mom gave me. Keeping this forever. I wear this too often to get rid of this, honestly. It's an old Express sweater. Then I've got this cardigan from Whimsy and Row, which I'm gonna keep that. Really good to transition pieces. And then we've got this AV & Co sweater and then this AV & Co sweater. And then I got a new AV & Co sweater. They were having a sale, which I feel like kind of completes my need for any other sweaters besides maybe like a thicky turtleneck. Still waiting for one to be on sale, honestly. This is a really good chunky black sweater from Naughty One, which I talked about this in my last video too. It's a Lithuanian brand, like little Lithuanian grandmas knit these, so love to support my country. I'm a sweater fiend, don't judge me. This I got on accident. It's like a sweater vest, which is kind of cool. And to ship it back would have been like way too much. It's like literally the same as this, just a vest. So I think this is a good like nice layering piece. And then I have my longer cardigan, which I love to wear this. This really makes me happy. And it's just so cozy to throw on, you know? Okay, and then I have this sweater, which I feel like I need to fix and sell. I don't know, I just feel like this is like not my vibe. I'd rather sell this and get some other like kind of sweater that fits me better. So I hung two of these turtlenecks. They're Old Express turtlenecks, but they're almost like shirts. They're so good for layering when it's cold, so I'm gonna keep them. And then moving on to my shirts, basically, I got this off the sleeve one from a better like company. It's called Nation. Their return portal sucks, so even though this wasn't like the perfect fit for me, I had to keep it. But I'll wear it. I think it should stretch over time, which, you know, at some point it will fit me very well, especially. There's also this shirt, the Stillwater shirt. I wear this literally every day of my life. I have repaired the sleeve twice because these are just the thinnest sleeves, but the fit here is so good that I can't even be mad about it. I'm gonna just fold this and put this into my workout stuff because I do wear this mostly for workouts and around the house, but I think it can stay in there. This is a Madewell shirt that I got for like $12. It was on sale and I love it. I took the tag off the back because it's the scoop neck back shirt, and I can kind of reverse it now, which I love. I did stain it already with freaking squeezing pomegranate, but whatever, I'm gonna eventually get that out somehow. After enough washes, I think it should come out. And this is a good jacket that I do really enjoy. It's really good for the fall and the springtime, so I'm not gonna get rid of this. It's kind of my only like lightweight jacket vibe thing. Then we have this like button down. I think I want to exchange the buttons, so I think at some point I'm gonna buy different buttons. I feel like this just kind of like screams at me, and it's like I kind of want it to be a little more like you can't even tell I have buttons down this, you know? So I think I'm gonna just change them to some sort of like skinny black shiny buttons. But overall, I really like the shirt. It's a replica of the one, my French dress that I really like. This I'm also gonna put into the workout pile because this is a workout shirt. It's like a crisscross workout shirt. I think it just makes sense. Like I can pull it out of here if I want to wear it like not as a workout shirt, but most times I just wear it to Pilates. I think it's time to get rid of this because it's Abercrombie and I'm just over Abercrombie, and I literally hate bodysuits. This I'm keeping. This I'm keeping. I love a good like throw over shirt that you can just do a lot with, or like wear as like a more fancy shirt. This I have to keep for now because I love the pants this comes in. Still really love this. I might think about selling this because it's just such a shit fabric, and I said this last time, but I'm still gonna keep this for now and think about it. This is a cute new top that I got. It's like a little tie top from Bagoose. They were having a really good sale, and I needed something like for summer that would be really cute with shorts, or the springtime with like a pair of high-waisted jeans. So because it's like sexy but like long sleeve, you know. I throw this out to sell every single time, and I'm gonna do that. And will I pull it back? Maybe. I don't know. I'm also thinking I need to get rid of this sweater. Like it fits nice, but it holds a lot of bad memories, and the color combination at this point, like this color does not make me happy. So I think it might be time. This is a 10 out of 10 shirt. Forever gonna keep it. It's a great gauzy shirt for when it gets warmer. I also really love this shirt, really nice over jeans or shorts. This is a little cutie patootie off the shoulder top. I think as I lose weight, it'll be more and more comfortable. This is a nice short sleeve little shirt, which actually this I can fold and put in a basket. And then we have these two shirts, but they're like off the shoulder shirts, and then this one's a more like off the shoulder, but one isn't, which I like that. And then there's a vintage polka dot shirt that I really enjoy. And then this is like a beach cover-up slash like dress. I thought about maybe trying to wear it as like a shirt, but I just think that it's too long, which is totally fine. So I might either get this altered or just get like another white kind of button-down shirt so I can play around with wearing it with the trousers, with some shorts. I don't know, I like the look of jeans and a white like crisp shirt. I don't like linen, it's a little too stiff, so I'm thinking about like a cotton poplin one. I'm gonna put my sweaters back. Okay, dresses. This dress is my long turtleneck dress, which I am keeping. I love this French style, like buttons down the front, which I might also change out these buttons because I just hate the, what is it, the tortoiseshell buttons that everyone does. I hate it. I love this dress. I'm gonna keep this dress, and if I'm done with this dress, I think I might turn it into a short dress. Don't know how I would do that, but I will figure it out. But at that point, that's what will happen instead of getting rid of it. I'm gonna keep this dress. I love this dress. This is my engagement dress, so I'm gonna keep that, and it's just like a nice, easy breezy, flowy vibe. Same thing with this, dress it up, dress it down. Love the vibe of this. I need to, I think, still kind of color in the flowers that are like pinky, but I do still like this dress. Still love this dress. This is a new dress that I bought. It's just like not, it just doesn't look right on me. So I'm trying to sell it if you want it. It's really cute, but just like not my style anymore. This as well, I think I want to sell it because it just doesn't fit all the way right, and I just need it to be shaped a little different. This is also on my Poshmark. I love the Sabo dress. I'm gonna keep this, and I'm probably gonna take it on vacation next month. I am trying to sell this dress also on my Poshmark. It's like a bodycon dress, really cute. It's from Stillwater. Just not how I thought it would look on me. So I'm trying to sell that. This is a great dress. It's got like the buttons. It's really good for layering, really good for summer. This is my new favorite dress that I've gotten. It's like an off the shoulder long knitted dress. Love it. I am gonna keep this vintage dress. I do need to kind of alter it and sew it up in a couple places, but I just love this dress so much. This is a given. I'm obsessed with this polka dot dress. And I do think it's time to get rid of this dress. I think this is just gonna go to the thrift store. I think someone will buy it and do something useful with it. And then I got this little number, kind of the same fabric as that knitted one, that off the shoulder one. It's kind of like a long sleeve, and it's got like this backless back knitted dress, which I really like. I think it will go really well with my cowboy boots. I just need to figure out like some sort of little strap in the back here so it doesn't pull forward and it kind of hangs on my shoulders, but that's like a super easy fix with a little bit of ribbon. So I'm gonna hang these guys back up. Look how much nicer that looks. And I gotta put some stuff back in baskets. So this is also a workout shirt, honestly. This clean out stuff is kind of going to be more for at some later point. I do have this shirt. I am gonna hang this guy. Seems like I have some hangers left over, so I'm actually gonna hang this little jacket-y thing. And then I'm also gonna hang this little sweater hoodie workout thing, but I wear it like a lot all the time, so it makes sense to be hanging. Titans hoodie is gonna go in here. Kind of think on top, these two definitely need to be rolled in here. Sorry about this noise. Okay, there's some stuff in here that I need to kind of figure out on what scarf I want to keep. I do love this little guy. I think this little guy needs to go with my hair accessories, honestly. I love a good hat, but it does not need to be in that bag. There's two sweaters here. Oh yeah, this guy needs to be hung. It's my little black faux neck Able sweater. And then there is my little cropped V-neck sweater, which I do also really like. So yay, there we go. My closet is pretty darn clean and I'm very excited about it. If you're curious on any of the things that I put in this video that I'm getting rid of, definitely check Poshmark, because that's where I will be selling it, or let me know what's up in the comments. So thanks for keeping me accountable on doing this, and I'm very proud and I'm very excited. So thank you, and I shall see you guys in the next one. Okay.